All right, I went inside a Farm Boy grocery store and I saw that they have these Waffle Cut Fries, French fries. I'm gonna give them a try. I'll probably most likely just bake it. I don't have a fryer. The air fryer, no thank you. I don't use those either, so it'll be in my toaster oven. All right, here is how they look out of the bag. They look really, really good. I'm impressed. So I'm gonna put them in the toaster oven. All right, just looking at the instructions. So it's place frozen fries in a single layer on a baking sheet. Preheat for 400, 23 to 28 minutes until golden and crispy. And then you can turn halfway through to baking time. There we go. And okay, fryer, there's a fryer instruction as well. I don't need to know that, but I'm gonna give this a go. All right, I just took them out of the toaster oven onto the side plate here, and this is how it looks. Taste, let's see how it tastes. Okay, it's crispy. You can probably serve it with a dipping sauce, aioli or something like that. Pommes sauce would be great. For those that would like ketchup would be good with it too. So yeah, they're not bad. I think they were like $4, maybe $4.99. I can't remember exactly, but it suited my budget. I would buy them again. I like my, or I can make maybe nachos, like the Irish nachos that, what pub is it now? The Firkin, I think, makes Irish nachos.